Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the S-5 clamp. So this is used to connect color guard snow fence to standing seam metal roofs, and in particular this clamp is going to work on a single fold seam with a wide horizontal dimension that's not fully closed. It comes with two pieces, the majority of the clamp here and then the insert right here. So how this would work, this would go over the top of your seam, the insert would be placed in there as you're installing it. Two set screws are going to come through the side here, typically torque ratings between 11 and 15 pounds. On the top, you're going to have a Versa clip and an M8 bolt that are going to connect it to the color guard snow fence. Every minor box of clamps is going to come with S-5's installation instructions. This is going to go over helpful tips on the installation as well as the torque ratings for your panel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com. Our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.